In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a new font on Canva, a tool that's perfect for creating stunning designs with ease. So let's dive in and make your designs stand out by giving them that unique touch with a custom font. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Canva offers a variety of features, but today we're focusing on its ability to customize fonts, which will allow you to ensure your brand or project is represented just the way you want. After signing in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see several options. Click on Brand. This is Canva's centralized location for all brand-related elements, making it easier to maintain consistency across your designs. Once you're in the brand section, you'll see an option labeled Brand Kit. Click on this and you'll be taken to an area where you can manage various aspects of your brand, such as logos, colors, and fonts. Next, scroll down until you see the font section within the Brand Kit area. This is where we'll be adding your new font. Canva's user interface is quite intuitive, so you should have no trouble locating this section. Once you're there, look for a button that says Add New and click on it. This will take you to another screen where you can upload your custom font. Now, click on the option that says Upload Font. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose a file from your device. This file should be in a compatible format like OTF or TTF, as these are the standard types accepted by Canva. Click Choose File and browse through your computer to locate the specific font you wish to upload. This small change can make a significant difference in the cohesiveness and aesthetic appeal of your content, ensuring that it resonates more effectively with your audience.